Jasper, Jasper, Jasper. Just a small town boy, or maybe a big city killer. He was brought in this morning.
So, do you know why you're here?
Yeah, I think so. Something to do that night, right?
So you know this person, correct? Give me that. Anyway, what do you remember about that night?
I haven't thought about that night since it happened.
No, I'm literally on the way. Like, literally, right now, man. I literally need to get out of here, dude.
I ran, like I always do.
God damn it, just admit it. You went to school with the victim. Admit you did it.
I couldn't have done it. He was so handsome. Such a good learner.
Admit you did it. You have no alibi. We're gonna give you 50 years for this, goddammit.
It was him. I know it. Those white sunglasses. He was there for the night of the murder.
It's actually hilarious. You have no evidence. You don't believe this guy, do you?